Sometimes, we create several duplicate products in our easy digital download store. We may do this just to test different configurations, to have many versions of a download to sell in different countries, or we need to assign different attributes to them, among other causes. However, there's some point in which we may need to delete all duplicate downloads. In that case, we would have to do it individually in easy digital downloads, which is a difficult task and will take us some hours if we have thousands of downloads to delete. That's why we want to show you how to delete thousands of duplicate products in just a few minutes using the Easy Digital Download Spreadsheet plugin. It's a great plugin that allows you to edit thousands of downloads in just a few minutes with its powerful bulk edit tool. Also, to avoid showing 404 errors to your users after removing duplicates, you need to create 301 redirections to the remaining downloads. But we can create them automatically for you. You just have to install the redirection plugin to create the redirection links, and the WP Sheet Editor redirection extension. Once both the plugin and the extension are installed on your website, you can run the Remove Duplicates feature freely because our plugin will automatically create the 301 redirections to the remaining downloads. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you can find the link to our written guide. Before we go ahead and show you how to bulk delete duplicate products, let's filter the products using the search tool. Once the tool is open, you'll see that you can search for your products by keyword, author, categories, tags, and you can even enable the advanced filters to have more search options. In this case, we'll look for all downloadable products that contain the keyword fashion. So we'll enter the word fashion here and run the search. After filtering our products, we're ready to delete the duplicates. To do this, open the bulk edit tool. Select the rows you want to update, in this case will be all from my current search. Look for the field title. Choose to remove duplicates here. Here you have the option to delete the newer elements and keep the older ones or vice versa. In this case, we'll select to delete the old ones. Finally, execute. As you can see here, the redirects were created automatically by the redirection plugin. Deleting all duplicate products with the Easy Digital Download Spreadsheet plugin is really easy and fast. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.